and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Aitor and you are watching my YouTube channel. So today I'll be teaching you how to play Sweet Child of Mine on ukulele. First of all, the third string. Okay, so you have to play open string. So the first string, third fret. Okay, third string, open string you have to play. Okay, okay, third string, first string, okay, first string, third string, first string, then second string with your same finger, then with your index finger you go to the first fret, second string. Okay, try it again. Then next you have to go to here. Okay, with your ring finger you press onto the fret number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 number fret. Okay, then with your middle finger you press onto 7th fret. Okay, so again from the beginning. Okay, you can use this one also, no problem. So whatever you are comfortable with, you can play. Okay, this is the easiest way you can play. You can practice. Belaikan kelai punya third string, open string play kaji. After that, the second part is okay. Third string, second fret. Okay, here. Okay, the last part is everything is same. Okay, only thing is that you have to change. First, you are playing in the open string, but in the second part, you don't need to play open. So what you have to do is only use your index here and the third string, second fret. Okay, then the rest is the same. Okay, from the beginning let me play it for you. Okay, okay, so the next third part. Okay, here the string. The rest is the same. Okay, second string, first fret, then go to the third fret, first string, then second string, third fret, then move to play the first fret. Okay, same string, second string. Okay, so let's play it together. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and comment. If you want to learn particular chords or particular song, if you want to learn, please do comment. See you in the next video. Bye bye.